Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna open the LookFantastic box for September 2020. Based on some other unboxings that I did not watch, I just watched the intro of the unboxing because I didn't want any spoilers for my LookFantastic box. It's LookFantastic's birthday, so I'm pretty sure when I open this box, the box inside is going to say it's their birthday. So easy to open their boxes up. And then inside we do have the birthday box. LookFantastic is actually a major beauty online retailer in the UK. You can buy it in the US too, so don't you worry. This box is $19 for us here in the US. It's $19 per box if you pay monthly. If you buy the 3-month subscription though, you can get it for $18 per box. And if you use my link to buy that 3-month subscription, the first month will be free for the first 20 people to click that link. And then anybody after that, 21 to forever basically, will get 50% off of that first box. So basically if you're the first 20, you would just pay $36 and you would get 3 boxes for your first subscription. That's such a steal. I don't get anything if you click that link. It just tells them I'm doing a good job, so then they will continue to send me the box for my review. I do not get any commission or anything like that. So if you find a better deal, definitely use the better deal. Don't do it to help me out. It does not help me out. So here we go, the birthday box for LookFantastic Beauty Box. And I love that it comes with a little booklet because that is so cute. It says the birthday edit here, September 2020. Has all the info you need for your products in here that we're gonna get. Last time someone told me there is a sneak peek at the back of the box for the next box. And this says it's the By Terry, I guess this is a lip balm or lip gloss. Travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly, whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. First thing up is a Luxie brush. Luxie is one of my favorite brush brands. So I am already sure that I'm glad that I got this. Let's see what brush this is. It says it is number 209 and it's a large shader brush. So this would be something for all over the lid. Then we also have a lip pencil and it says DALLA PALMA. Usually I don't know the brands. Wow, that is a gorgeous color. It is kind of like a dusty rose color. So beautiful. Love that a lot. I'll have to look this up and check on ingredients to see if there's wax in it. There probably is, but hopefully it's a wax that I can use that's like a vegan wax. The third item is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I own this already and it's a great product, and this was actually the spoiler last month. I do think that Elemis is a great brand, so definitely goes in a thumbs up for me so far. Next I got ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. It looks like it's a mud mask for your hair. This is interesting. I'm gonna have to try this out. I've never heard of a mud hair mask. I usually think of mud masks to try to pull moisture out, and I want moisture in my hair, not out of my hair. Then we have an Illamasqua. I am really excited about this actually. Beyond Powder Highlighter. I got it in the color OMG. Illamasqua is definitely a cruelty-free brand, and I have been wanting to try them actually for quite some time. This is a very subtle highlight, but it's very gorgeous. I don't need a super rich highlight. I need something very subtle. I have oily skin. We also got a beauty tool, and I love rollers. This looks like it's the perfect size too. Like it's not too big, it's not too small. It's from the company Brushworks and it says HD Jade Rollers. Soothing jade is cool to the touch. It really is. It feels so good, especially when you have a mask on, like a sheet mask. Feels great. Reduces the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. Do I think it does that? I don't know. I have no clue if Jade does that, but I'm in for the hype because I love the way it feels, and if something feels great and you feel like you're spoiling yourself, why not? So we also got this LookFantastic Beauty Box pop socket. I don't know that I really want to be like promoting them on my phone all the time, but I do think pop sockets are very useful. So this is very cute and nifty, and if you love LookFantastic a lot and you do want them like promoted all over your phone, this would be super cute to get. This was part of their birthday, like they sent it out for their birthday, like as a gift. I literally just filmed a video where I did the full try on and of everything. And because most of these items, like I could try on the highlighter and the lip liner, but a lot of this is stuff like brushes that I've used and I know I love, and then a jade roller. There's not much to love or not love, like does it roll or not? Yes. It would really just be this hair mask, which I'm not willing to do right now, and then this day cream, which I've also used. So we're not gonna do a try on, but I'm still gonna do some research. So I will come back and tell you what their cruelty-free status is, whether they are cruelty-free or not, and then what the reviews said about them. So give me a moment and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's talk about all the products. I did my research. For the Illamasqua highlighter, it has a 4.7 star rating with 514 reviewers. People said it's great, it's not glittery, it's ground very fine. I love the color. I think it's subtle and I think it's very, I don't know what the right word is. It's not like grown up, but like sophisticated. It's like sophisticated highlighter. That's what I would say, just from swatching it on my hand and seeing how the shine is just like, I don't know. That's just the word that comes to mind. This is a cruelty-free brand, and this product is $13 US after you do all the conversion and all of that. For the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, this had a 4.8 star rating and 199 reviewers. I own this cream, I love it. I think it's really good for anti-aging. There were a couple negatives, but it was just about the product being expensive, and yeah, it's a pricey product, but everybody else was saying it does wonders for your skin. This product is so expensive that the sample size, not the regular size, but this size right here, is valued at $40 US, and this is also a cruelty-free brand. The DALLA PALMA, I looked up the ingredients, and this is actually a lip pencil that I can use. It does not contain any of the ingredients that I avoid putting on my lips, so I'm happy that I do get to use this one. It has a 4.9 star rating, 16 reviewers. The retail value for this product is $12 US, and it's not considered their full size. Like, it's considered a mini size pencil. I think this is perfect size though, so I'm happy with that. The information is very ambiguous whether they're cruelty-free or not. They wrote on their website that they do not test on animals. That does not make somebody cruelty-free. So technically, I'm gonna say it's not cruelty-free. For me, it has to definitively say that you're cruelty-free, or you have to have made a statement or be on PETA's website or something like that for me to say that a brand is cruelty-free. The statement they have made is a little bit like, it just means they don't actually do the animal testing. It doesn't mean that animal testing isn't done on their products. This next one surprised me. For the ESPA pink hair and scalp mud that I was like, no, I don't want mud on my hair, has a 4.9 star rating with over 2,000 reviewers, and people saying this is the best thing they ever put on their hair. Better than a deep conditioner, that they had it done at the spa, like they had a facial done and they did this mask while they did the facial, and it was like the best their hair ever looked. Literally like rave reviews. So rave reviews about fixing dry and frizzy hair that I am like so excited to try it now. At first I wasn't even sure I was gonna try it, but now I'm like, with 2,000 reviews and all of them being like that, there has to be something to this, right? This is a mini sample size, and it is a $12 retail value when you figure out the milliliter by milliliter, and this is a cruelty-free brand. The Luxie 209 brush has a 4.8 star rating with 14 reviewers. Again, only good reviews there, and I love Luxie brushes. I love the quality. I feel like they last me forever no matter how many times I'm cleaning and abusing them. So I'm really glad to add another one to my collection. The retail value for this brush is $15, and Luxie is considered a cruelty-free brand. I want to show you guys how much I love Luxie brushes, because I totally said like, oh, I really love Luxie brushes. I just bought 4 packs of Luxie brushes. So yes, I really do. It is one of my favorite brushes. The Brushworks Jade Roller did not have enough reviews available, but honestly guys, a jade roller is a jade roller is a jade roller. Unless it has something special, but this just looks like a standard jade roller. And this has a $13 retail value, and Brushworks is considered a cruelty-free brand. That makes the total retail value for my box $105. I did not pay for this box, but like I said, it would be a $19 box. If you use the link down below and you order it 3 months, it would have been a $12 box because it would have cost $36 for your first 3 boxes. That's only for the first 20 people, so I don't know how quickly that'll be used up. I've actually been trying to track my links a little bit better. I would say that I'm pretty happy with the box. The only thing I'm probably not going to use is the pop socket. It is not 100% cruelty-free. This item I don't believe is cruelty-free. It's just sketchy the way they worded things. Literally the question was asked, are you cruelty-free? And then they responded, we don't do any animal testing. That is not the same thing. So it was like almost like they're trying to avoid the question. When you say we don't test on animals, you're just saying that you don't. That doesn't mean that you didn't pay someone else to, or that you don't have it tested before like a component comes to you, or that you don't have it tested before it goes to market. Just because you didn't do the testing does not mean that you are cruelty-free. So I have a feeling that that was just like their legal way of getting out of answering the question. But when somebody like point blank asks you, are you a cruelty-free brand? It's pretty easy if you are to answer, yes, we are cruelty-free. Thank you so much to LookFantastic for sending this. This is the 3rd box they've sent me, but only for 2 months, because in August they sent 2 so I could compare the 2 variations. I'm not just saying that I love it because I got it for free. Of course, people, when they review something for free, and even when I watch others review something and they say they got it for free, I take it with a grain of salt because you are happier, you're just like in a better mood when you got something for free than when you paid money for it, right? I still like to try to review it as if I paid my own money for it. Like, would I be willing to pay $18 or $19 for this box? That doesn't mean I'm not in a good mood while I'm filming this because I know I got the box for free. But I can honestly say that I do like this box, and I would have paid $19 for this box that I got today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Comments help my channel out so much, so I appreciate it anytime you tell me what your favorite product that we unboxed is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!